India's laptop import restrictions explained, boosting domestic manufacturing. Introduction. In a strategic move aimed at fostering the growth of the domestic manufacturing sector, the Indian government has recently announced restrictions on the import of laptop computers. This decision comes as part of a broader effort to promote self-reliance, bolster local industries, and reduce dependency on foreign-made goods. The move has generated significant attention and debate, with proponents highlighting its potential to stimulate innovation and critics expressing concerns over short-term disruptions. This video delves into the details of the government's decision and its potential implications for India's technology landscape. The government's rationale. Citing the need to bolster the country's manufacturing capabilities, the Indian government has taken a proactive step to curb the import of laptop computers. This decision aligns with the larger vision of the Make in India initiative, which seeks to transform the nation into a global manufacturing hub. By imposing restrictions on laptop imports, the government aims to create a conducive environment for domestic laptop manufacturers to thrive. The move is expected to encourage increased investment in research and development, stimulate job creation, and lead to technological advancements within the country. Promoting domestic manufacturing. The restrictions on laptop imports are expected to incentivize local manufacturing companies to ramp up production. To facilitate this, the government is likely to offer a range of incentives, such as tax breaks, subsidies, and streamlined regulatory processes. By nurturing the growth of domestic laptop manufacturers, India can reduce its reliance on foreign imports, enhance its export potential, and strengthen its position in the global technology market. Challenges and concerns. While the government's decision is well-intentioned, it has not been without its share of concerns and criticisms. Some experts worry that the sudden reduction in laptop imports could lead to supply chain disruptions, potentially affecting various industries that depend on these devices. Additionally, there are concerns about short-term price hikes due to limited supply, which could impact consumers, students, and businesses that rely heavily on laptops. Another challenge lies in ensuring that the domestic manufacturing industry can meet the demand for laptops while maintaining quality standards. This shift will require a significant boost in production capacity, infrastructure, and skilled labor. Striking a balance between import restrictions and ensuring a seamless supply of laptops within the country will be crucial. The road ahead. The restrictions on laptop imports signal a pivotal moment in India's journey towards self-reliance and technological prowess. As the government focuses on nurturing domestic manufacturing capabilities, collaboration between industry stakeholders, academia, and policymakers will be essential. Manufacturers need to embrace innovation, adopt modern manufacturing techniques, and invest in research and development to create cutting-edge products that can compete on the global stage. In the long run, the move could lead to a more robust and self-sufficient technology ecosystem, where India not only manufactures laptops but also becomes a hub for technological innovation and development. The challenges posed by the import restrictions are surmountable with careful planning, timely investments, and strategic collaborations. Conclusion. The Indian government's decision to restrict laptop imports marks a significant step towards achieving self-reliance in the technology sector. By promoting domestic manufacturing, the government aims to create a thriving ecosystem that can drive innovation, generate employment, and contribute to the country's economic growth. While challenges and concerns are present, they can be addressed through collaborative efforts and strategic planning. As the nation moves forward on this path, it is poised to emerge as a formidable player in the global technology landscape. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Explainium today and discover a whole new world of knowledge and understanding.